I was wasting my emotional capital on thinking about why doesn't she like me and does she like me, blah, 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 you know what I mean? But what I needed to do was fucking get my life fucking straight, get a job, get off my brother's couch, you know what I mean? Fucking be a father to my son, all that shit. And I see you doing the same fucking thing. So don't think about these fucking douchebags. Fuck them. It's a waste of emotional capital, especially since they don't like you back. And they're all like in their weird little love triangle anyway. Gino's gonna fuck what's her face, you know what I mean? Gemini's gonna fucking come crawling back to you like a little bitch.
No, but
and
Gino,
he's gonna be like, hey, Gino, fuck my girl. And you know what?
Yeah.
You need to be like, fuck you, I don't give a shit. Don't talk to me, you know what I mean?
No, he's going to jail for 5 years. Next time he gets arrested, he's got a 5-year hammer.
I'm just telling you.
Oh.
You know what I mean?
How, and then how long, and when they...
I don't know, I don't have time to fucking for you, but I'm telling you what's gonna happen. I mean, you know, you were going through the text.
I know.
But my point to all of this is fuck them. Like, don't care. Like, think about you. Like, go home to your mom's house. Go get a job. Go to your mom's house. Say, I need a car. What do I need to do to get my license, to get a car, to get employment, or go to school? You know what I mean? So I can move forward in my life because you're getting stalled out giving a fuck about these dipshits. Fuck them. You know what I mean? Fuck them in their shorts. Like, they're assholes. Who cares? 2 years from now, they're going to be exactly where they are in life. Do you want to be? Do you want to be? Do you still want to be doing this?
You know what? Well, after last night,
Are you recording me?
Yeah, I am.
What the fuck?
No, this is for me to
Okay,
remember.
yeah.
No, I'm not.